Hello everyone, I welcome you all at the website of Art India. So I will tell you why this website is different from other website. Since Art India is open only for B2B purpose, it designs and develops homes textiles since 1980. Now coming to their website, since keeping the design and collection safe, you need to sign up first. Let us know how. We are already at the website URL, which is artindia-jaipur.com. Let us scroll down and see what we have at the home page. Seems good. Now to get access to their collection, you need to sign up from the top at the navigation bar. Sign up is basic, it asks for certain information. After signing up, you will receive confirmation mail. But here condition applies. Yes, you will receive access only if you will fit in their criteria. When you get access, you will again get a mail to inform that now you can access their website. After that, you can surf through every collection. Also, when you like to raise a query about any product, this is how you do. Just select it and click on Add to Enquiries button. When you select this will land you to a page where you can write your comment if you want any changes in color or material or size. When you do this, our sales team will receive your query and will get back to you as soon as possible. Other than this, website has pages which don't need any sign up like About Us, Home page, Contact Us, Career page, etc.